When you ask a supplier in China for a better price, it feels like you finally have something to compare. Same sample, different quotes. And naturally, most buyers start asking, which factory is cheaper? That makes sense, right? Because maybe you want more profit, or maybe you want to compete better in the marketplace. But here's the part many buyers miss. The price is always visible, but the production system is hidden. And this is the hidden risk. So, before you accept any quote, the better question is, does this factory have a system that can protect quality and delivery time? Because nobody wants to pay for defects, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate a factory's production system in China using the MAP framework. Because the goal is to find a factory with a fair price and a capable production system that you can trust. My name is Dwayne Scott. I've sourced products from China for over 13 years, and I learned a very important lesson. A factory is not just four walls, machines, and a price list. A factory is a system. It has procedures, communication, quality control, and real decision-making power working together to make your product. If any part of that system is weak, your order could be at risk. So a cheap price may help you win the quote, but the right system helps protect your business and your brand for the long term. Now, here's a hidden truth. Many buyers evaluate simple signals. They look at price, MOQ, a nice sample, a clean showroom, an Alibaba profile, and sometimes factory certificates. These are really good metrics, but they are the starting blocks, not the building blocks that prove quality and delivery performance. You see, the hidden layer many buyers miss is this. They choose a product supplier rather than a supplier's system. And that system either protects your business or creates problems that you cannot see as yet. Makes sense, right? Let's think about Toyota. People choose Toyota because it has a reputation for reliability. Toyota does not sell cars. Toyota sells confidence. And that's how I think when choosing a factory in China. The real question I ask is not can they make the product, but a better question is, can their system support the order after the deposit is paid? Now, how do you evaluate a factory properly? You gotta investigate the system, not the product, not the quotation, not the sample, the system. You're looking for three things. Reproducibility. Can you develop your idea into a high quality sample? Repeatability. Can they mass produce that sample at scale? And relatability. Do they understand your business needs, or are they only serving themselves? Before the order, every factory will sound confident. Yes, we can do it. Don't worry. But after the deposit is paid, the real production system will reveal itself. It always does. Problems occur, quality, delivery delayed. That's why we need to investigate the whole system. And this is where I use my 3-step MAP framework. MAP stands for Mindset, Approach, and Progress. And feel free to download it in the description. The first step is to change your mindset, your thinking. You are not making decisions based on price alone. You are evaluating for a fair price with a capable supplier. A capable supplier is a factory that can produce consistently over time in alignment with your business values. A capable supplier has a repeatable system. They can explain, we do this, followed by this, and in this sequence. Now that is what you're looking for, because if there is no system, corners get cut. And when your money, your inventory, and customer trust are on the line, you cannot afford hidden shortcuts. So yes, a fair price matters, but price should come after fit, system, and confidence, your confidence. And once your mindset changes, you need a practical way to verify the factory before you can trust it. So, how do we approach this? It's really simple. Ask for the sales agent's WeChat, and during working time in China, ask them, are you at the factory now? And when they say yes, ask for a real-time video call to verify the factory and show the production line. You want a real-time walk around. not a polished factory video, not old photos, and definitely not a PDF. You need to confirm the factory is real. Ask to see the front entrance. The factory name should be on the wall in the front entrance, and it should match the name and address on the business card. Then ask for the business license and certificates like ISO 9000, CDEX, and BSCI. Some may not have all these certificates, and that's okay. But for sure, confirm the business license, because this is not about being difficult. This is about protecting yourself and your business. The second check is to confirm development capability. Ask the agent, do you have a sample room with a master technician? This tells you whether the factory can handle new requests, especially if your product is customized with your own colors and logos. This is where they break down the sample, the materials, and labor to quote you accurately on your order. So also ask them, do you have a showroom for new clients, and do they have a graphic designer? Because this is going to come in handy. Then confirm, is the sample going to be made here? And is production going to be at this same facility? Because remember, a sample is one thing, but a repeatable production system is another. And a good sample is only part of the system. Real responsibility is confirming this. Ask to see the production line. This is the third check, with real workers making the product niche you are interested in. If you're interested in shoes, make sure you see a production line with shoes. I know this sounds silly, but it's hugely important to verify. Just check out Dwayne's biggest mistakes in China, okay? Now, some suppliers may be outsourcing or cooperating or showing you what another factory made. So you want to see your product category, workers, machines, and real activity. Then ask to see the production manager's office, because production without management is total chaos. And making the product is one thing, but controlling the result is another. So the fourth check is to confirm their quality control and technical systems. This matters because mistakes happen, and they happen especially when products are made by hand. So ask them, do you have a final QC area? And who checks quality on the production line? Can you explain the QC system step by step? And what happens when defects are found? And where is the reject bin? You see, every factory says they can check quality, but saying we check quality is not the same as having a QC system. If they cannot explain the QC process clearly, be very careful. And once you understand QC, do not stop there. A real factory depends on the most important person. The fifth check is you need to confirm the sales agent's attitude and experience. The sales agent is not just the person sending prices and samples. They are the bridge between you and your completed order. In essence, the sales agent is the factory. Ideally, they have experience in your product category and understand the factory's system. If they are new, attitude and attention to detail matter even more. So ask them, how many years of experience do you have in this product niche? Can they explain the production process, sample to bulk process, and QC process? Now, when production is smooth, anyone can reply, no problem. But when something goes wrong, you do not want a messenger. You want a problem solver. And the real test is whether they are experienced, connected, and capable of supporting your order through the entire production system. And you also need your insurance policy, the dollar ban, the big boss, the owner of the factory. Before you place the order, ask if you can meet the dollar ban on WeChat. Small question, but big answer. And after you ask the questions, you need to watch how they reply. Because we need to decide whether to move forward or slow down. And that's progress. But we do that with facts, not emotions. Green flags are simple. You verified the factory name, you saw real production, they have development capability, Their QC system is clear, communication is transparent, the sales agent answered detailed questions, and you have access to dial or ban. Then and only then do you proceed with samples. Not because of the price, but because the factory has given you enough confidence to test the next step. That is controlled trust. Red flags are the opposite. They avoid transparency. Production is not visible. Communication has friction. They cannot explain QC. You're chasing them for information, or it feels like something is off. Now, one red flag does not always mean you walk away immediately, but it definitely means you slow down, because this is not blind trust. Progress is control based on facts and systems. And remember, our goal is not to become suspicious of every factory. Our goal is to become more decisive in how we qualify a supplier with our own system. So here's the shift, the unlock. Before, you thought, I need to find a new supplier with the best price and a flexible MOQ and a good sample and some certificates. But after this video, I'd like you to think differently. You're not just looking for a supplier, you are evaluating the factory system that your business will depend on. That is the difference between a buyer and a business owner. A buyer asks, what is your price? A business owner asks, can your system support my business? And that system will either protect your business or expose it. This, my friends, is the dial or ban way. If you are sourcing products from China, use this MAP framework to qualify your factory. Feel free, download it. It's in the description. And your next step is to watch how I explain how to find a fair price with a supplier. If you want to build a smarter China supply chain, how about subscribing to the channel? Because here, we do not just look for suppliers. We qualify them to protect our business and our brand.